Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about some interesting hobbies for women in their 40s. Whether you're looking for a new hobby to try, or just want to learn some new things, this video is for you. Let's get started. Let's start with something that's both fun and practical, knitting. Knitting has been around for centuries, and it's a great way to make unique and beautiful clothing, accessories and more. Plus, it's a great way to relax and de-stress. Next, we have photography. Whether you're a novice or an experienced photographer, there are so many different ways to explore this hobby. You can take pictures of landscapes, people, or anything else you find interesting. Plus, you can even make money doing it, if you're interested in that. Another interesting hobby is gardening. From growing your own vegetables to experimenting with different flowers and plants, gardening is a great way to get some fresh air and get creative. Plus, you can get your hands dirty and enjoy the outdoors. Fourth, we have jewelry making. With a few basic tools and some imagination, you can make some beautiful pieces of jewelry. You can learn about different types of metals, stones, and beads, and experiment with different techniques like beading, wire wrapping, and metalworking. You can also explore different styles, such as traditional, contemporary, and avant-garde. Plus, you can even sell your creations if you want to make some money. Next on our list is cooking. Whether you're an experienced chef or just someone who likes to experiment in the kitchen, cooking is a great way to get creative and make something delicious. Plus, you can learn about different types of cuisine, ingredients, and cooking techniques. You can even invite your friends over for dinner and show off your culinary skills. If you are a fitness freak, you might want to consider yoga. With its combination of physical and mental exercises, yoga is a great way to stay in shape and distress from the daily grind. Moreover, you can learn about different types of yoga, and explore different poses and breathing techniques. You can even find classes or even learn from videos online. Seventh, we have painting. Whether you like to paint landscapes, abstracts, or anything else, painting is a great way to express yourself and make something beautiful. You can learn about different types of paints, brushes, canvases, and other supplies. It's also a great way to relax and just have some fun. Another interesting hobby to give a try is writing. With the rise of blogs and ebooks, writing is a great way to share your ideas and stories with the world. You can learn about different types of writing, and even explore different writing styles and techniques. You can even make some money from it if you're interested. If you are a pet lover, you can try bird watching. Whether you're in the city or out in the countryside, bird watching is a great way to observe nature and learn more about the feathered friends in your area. You can learn about the different species of birds, and even set up a bird feeder to attract them. It's also a great way to get some exercise and get some fresh air. Finally, we have baking. From cakes and cookies to pies and pastries, baking is a great way to make something delicious and get creative. You can learn about different types of recipes, ingredients, and baking techniques. You can even sell your creations if you want to make some money. Well, that's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed our list of 10 interesting hobbies for women in their 40s. Thanks for watching and happy hobby hunting.